Welcome to Barcelona, a city that beautifully intertwines history, art, and culture. Among its many treasures, the Gothic Quarter, or Barri Gotic, stands out as a timeless gem, beckoning visitors with its medieval charm and rich heritage. Nestled in the heart of Barcelona, the Gothic Quarter is bordered by the bustling La Rambla and the tranquil waterfront of the Mediterranean. This enchanting neighborhood is characterized by narrow, winding streets, hidden plazas, and stunning Gothic architecture that transports you back in time. The quarter is not simply a historic district. It is the cultural heartbeat of the city, pulsating with creativity and character. The history of the Gothic Quarter dates back to Roman times when it was known as the Roman city of Barcelona, founded in the 1st century BC. As you stroll through its cobblestone streets, you can still find remnants of this ancient civilization, including a section of the Roman Wall. The architecture you'll encounter spans centuries, showcasing the evolution of styles from Gothic to Neo-Gothic, reflecting Barcelona's journey through time. Originally, this area was the center of political and religious life during the medieval period, with landmarks like the Barcelona Cathedral standing as a stunning testament to the city's historical significance. The allure of the Gothic Quarter lies not only in its past but in how it continues to thrive as a hub of artistic expression and cultural engagement. So, why is the Gothic Quarter a must-visit destination while in Barcelona? The answer lies in its atmospheric ambience, where every street corner reveals a new story. The labyrinthine layout encourages exploration, leading you to charming plazas, quaint cafes, and artisanal shops. Here, you can savor traditional Catalan cuisine, shop for unique souvenirs, or simply enjoy a coffee while soaking in the historic surroundings. Art lovers will find inspiration around every turn, with street performers and local artists showcasing their talents. Don't miss the chance to visit the Picasso Museum, hidden within the quarter, which houses an impressive collection of the artist's formative work. As you navigate through the Gothic Quarter, be sure to take a moment to appreciate the stunning architecture. The intricate details of the Cathedral of Barcelona and the charming Plaça del Pi, with its beautiful church, are simply breathtaking. The contrast of the modern vibrancy of nearby neighborhoods with the historic essence of the Gothic Quarter creates a unique experience. In the evenings, the area transforms into a magical setting, illuminated by soft street lights, creating a romantic atmosphere perfect for leisurely walks or intimate dinners. The Gothic Quarter is not just a destination. It's an experience that captures the essence of Barcelona. From its captivating history and architectural wonders to the vibrant culture that thrives within its streets, this neighborhood is a true must-see for anyone visiting the city. Allow yourself to get lost in its charm and uncover the stories that lie within its ancient walls. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Barcelona's Gothic Quarter.